our topic of discussion is time and tense. Time and tense is a basic of English grammar, or you can say the basic of our language. That means when we start learning either writing or speaking English, it is necessary to have the knowledge of time and tense. In another language, I can say time and tense is just like a train, a language is just like a train. So a train cannot run without a track. Same way, without having the knowledge of time and tense and the proper structure of the tenses, impossible to run your language either in written or spoken way. Therefore, today I will discuss about the time and tense, the three times: present time, past time, future time, and each time categorized to the four equal tenses. Therefore, present has the four tenses, that is called simple present, simple present, present continuous, present perfect, present perfect continuous. Same way in past, simple past, past continuous, past perfect continuous. Same way simple future, future continuous, future perfect continuous. These 12 tenses, that means three times each has four tenses, that means total 12 tenses are there. But each tenses, that means these 12 tenses are having the different structure. And what are the things that we have to discuss here today? Two main important things in section of tense that we have to discuss. Number one, a structural concept of tenses. Number two, uses of tenses. Two major things that we have to discuss in section of tense. So first I will go about the structural concept of tenses. Now we come to the structural concept of tenses. A structural concept of tenses. I begin from simple present. Basically, each tenses, that means all those 12 tenses are having the four structures. Simple here, affirmative structure, negative structure, interrogative structure, negative structure. Basically, four structures of each tenses. Let it be simple, four structures. Let it be continuous, four structures. Let it be perfect, four structures. Let it be perfect continuous, four structures. So we have to consider all these tenses from four different point of view of structure. Affirmative structure of simple present, subject plus verb 1 or verb 5, that means base form or the special form of verb along with object or complement. If you go to the negative structure, then initially with not, do does with not, plus subject plus base form of verb plus object or complement. If you go to interrogative structure, then initially we have to write do does plus subject plus base form of verb plus object or complement. If you go to the interrogative structure, intro-negative structure. We have to bring the doodles at first and then after subject, verb, etc. Now come to the continuous. Same way continuous structure will go. First of all, affirmative. Subject plus is am are plus before plus object or complement. Affirmative structure. Subject plus is am are plus not plus before plus object or complement. Negative structure. Subject before subject is am are plus subject plus before plus object or complement question mark with interrogative structure is am are plus not plus subject plus before plus object or complement question mark interrogative structure. Here only doodle or not. Now come to the perfect structure. Perfect structure. Affirmative. Subject plus has had plus V3 plus object or complement. Come to the negative structure. Subject plus has had plus not plus V3 plus object or complement. Come to the interrogative structure. Has either had will come at first, then subject plus B3 plus object or complement question mark. Now come to the intro-negative structure. Intro-negative structure. Has or had plus not plus subject plus B3 plus object or complement question mark. So these are the four basic structures that we are continuing here. Now go to the structure of present perfect continuous. Present perfect continuous. Present perfect continuous. Affirmative. Subject plus has, have plus been plus before plus object or complement plus for since plus time question mark. If you go to negative, again subject plus has had plus not plus been plus before object or complement plus for since plus time. Come to the interrogative structure. Has or have will come first, then subject plus been plus before plus object or complement plus for since plus time question mark. Come to the interrogative structure. Has or had. Initially will come, then after not, then after subject plus been plus before plus object or complement, then after for options or plus done. Question mark. So these are the four basic structure of all tenses. Later on, same way we shall come to the past tense of structure, past simple and past perfect continuous, past perfect and past perfect continuous. So I come here. Past. Past, number one, simple. So past tense simple. Simple structure. Affirmative. Affirmative. Subject plus V2 plus object or complement. If you come to negative, subject plus did plus not plus base form of verb plus object or complement. Come to interrogative. Interrogative. This did will come at first. Did plus subject plus base form of verb plus object or complement, question mark. Now come to the interrogative. Interrogative. Along with the did, not will come, and then after subject plus V1 plus object or complement along with question mark. So these are the four structure, basic structure. I presently teaching you the four basic structure. Additional structure I will discuss later. So now come to the future, and when we come to the future, again future all tenses are having the four basic structure. Same way you can continue with the past, past continuous, past perfect continuous. If required I can write the past continuous. Okay, past continuous. Past continuous. Affirmative. Affirmative. Subject was, were plus before plus object or complement. Come to the negative. Subject plus was, were plus not plus before object or complement. Come to interrogative. Subject plus was, were plus subject plus before plus object or complement, question mark. Come to the interrogative negative, then was, were plus not plus subject plus before plus object or complement, question mark. Now again we come to the perfect structure. Past perfect. Affirmative. Subject plus had plus B3 plus object or complement. Come to the negative. Subject plus had plus not plus B3 plus object or complement. Come to the interrogative. Had plus subject plus B3 plus object or complement question mark. Come to the intro negative had along with not plus subject plus B3 plus object or complement question mark. So these are the four basic structure of the past perfect. Now I come to the past perfect continuous. Past perfect continuous. Affirmative subject plus had plus been plus before plus object or complement plus for since plus time. Come to the negative subject plus had plus not plus been plus before plus object or complement plus for since plus time. Come to the interrogative. This had will come at first, then after subject plus been plus before plus object or complement plus for since plus time question mark. Come to the interrogative. Interrogative. This had will come at first along with not, then after subject plus been plus before plus object or complement plus for since plus time along with question mark. These are the structure. Now come to the future tense of structure. So coming to the future,